How to use the dishwasher at Central Park apartment. Okay, so the dishwasher switch is right next to the red button, which should press to turn it on. Okay, then once you're at the dishwasher, you open it, you load all your utensils. Okay, then you put the dishwashing tablet in this compartment over here. Okay, you press to turn it to close it. To open it, you just press this button and you slide it up. And to close it, press it and turn it back in. So then after you load your utensils, you close the dishwashing door. Okay, then this is the power button. Press to turn it on. Okay, then you select the mode that you want. For example, intensive, delicate. Then the time automatically change over here, and then you press on start, and it starts running.